Hi guys, welcome to today's class, still on unit conversion. Today we have a very interesting topic that I know will elude a lot of students, but that is why we are here, to make it simple and simpler too. Now we have here that convert 258.96 kilogram per meter per second to pounds per feet per hour. That the sound alone sounds like bomb to a lot of students, I'm sure, but it's simple. Just relax your mind. That is why we are here. Now we have here, we have given that one given that 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2046 pounds as lb. We also have here that 1 meter is equals to 3.288 to 808 rather 808 feet. We also have that 1 hour or 3,600 seconds. I'm sure that you all are familiar with this, or have done problem on this before. Now, how to really solve this? It's a solution. We have here that 258.96 kilogram over meter per second multiplied by 2.2046 pounds over 1 kg multiplied by 1 meter over 3.2808 feet multiplied by 3,600 seconds over 1 hour. Now this is half solved. If you have gotten it up to this extent, you are as good as gotten 90%. Now kilogram will cancel out kilogram, meter will cancel out meter, and meter left with seconds will cancel out seconds, left with pounds per feet an hour. This is just like 90% of the whole solution. Once you're able to know how to allocate the units respectively, then you have gotten it. Now this is a mere multiplication and division. Just like we always employ students to have a calculator, makes the work easier. Now if you multiply 258.96 by 2.2046 by 1 by 3,600 divided by 1 multiplied by this will be the same 3.2808. The answer will simply be 6.26 times 10 raised to power 5 at the unit pounds per feet per hour. So that's as simple as this. Yes, as simple as this. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problems. And if for any reason you are confused at any point, I'm waiting for you at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Look out for more problem solutions. Bye.